Well, as a cleaning guru, I have tried many different window squidgies. And I came across the Hara window squidgie, and for me, this is the best and the longest lasting. It has an amazing rubber that seriously is such a high quality. So what I do, I put water onto my fibres here. I roll the roll fix here into the fibres and I rub it in. And then I clean, and then I just squidgie off. You don't turn it over. All the other squidgies I've ever come across, you have to turn it over, not with Hara. You clean, and then you just squidgie off. And the water down the bottom runs back into it. But it is important, if you're going to start in the middle of your window, that you dry your blade so you don't leave a blade mark. It's so simple. Just clean and squidgie off.